Imagine a world where legends are reborn, where gods are not divine beings, but extraordinary humans who rise to greatness through their choices and actions. Welcome to the mesmerizing land of Meluha, a near-perfect civilization, where an ancient prophecy foretells the arrival of a savior. This is the story of the Immortals of Meluha by Amish Tripathi, a tale of love, duty, and transformation, where a simple man named Shiva embarks on a journey to discover his destiny and redefine what it means to be a hero. In this retelling of one of India's most cherished myths, Shiva's journey unfolds against a backdrop of breathtaking landscapes, intricate politics, and timeless philosophy. So, sit back, relax, and let us take you into the magical world of Meluha, where the past comes alive and a man becomes a legend. Journey back to 1900 BCE to a land of myths, legends, and extraordinary possibilities. The Immortals of Meluha by Amish Tripathi is the first book in the epic Shiva trilogy, a reimagined tale of Lord Shiva, not as a god but as a man destined to become a savior. This story weaves together elements of love, duty, war, and spiritual transformation, delivering a gripping narrative about a man who rises to fulfill an ancient prophecy. Shiva is introduced as the rugged leader of a tribe residing in the serene yet dangerous valleys near Mount Kailash. Leading a humble life, he is a man of courage and integrity, deeply devoted to protecting his people. When emissaries from a faraway, prosperous land called Meluha arrive with an offer to relocate his tribe for a better future, Shiva agrees, hoping to provide safety and stability for his people. Upon arriving in Meluha, a meticulously organized kingdom following the teachings of Lord Ram, Shiva discovers a near-utopian society. However, this perfection hides deep-rooted conflicts. Meluha is under constant threat from the Chandravanshish, a rival kingdom, and the Nagas, a mysterious race of deformed warriors. During his stay, Shiva consumes the Somras, an elixir of life believed to grant immortality. To everyone's astonishment, this turns his throat blue, a sign marking him as the Nilkant, the savior foretold in Meluhan legends. The Meluhans believe Shiva has arrived to lead them in their struggle against evil forces. Initially skeptical of his newfound role, Shiva gradually begins to embrace his destiny. As Shiva acclimates to the Meluhan way of life, he meets Sati, the fiercely disciplined and dignified daughter of King Daksha. Sati is burdened by her status as a Vikama, an outcast punished for sins of a past life. Despite societal restrictions, Shiva falls deeply in love with her. Their love story becomes a powerful narrative thread, challenging age-old customs and inspiring the Meluhans to question their rigid traditions. Shiva is drawn into Meluha's struggle against the Chandravanshish, who are accused of waging terror against the Meluhan way of life. As Shiva leads his forces into battle, he begins to unravel layers of truth about the Chandravanshish and their supposed alliance with the Nagas. What he discovers challenges his perception of good and evil, forcing him to confront the complexities of morality. Shiva realizes that the simplistic division between righteousness and wickedness does not hold true. Every side has its perspective, and the deeper he delves, the more he realizes that understanding and empathy are crucial in seeking the truth. Looming in the shadows throughout the story are the Nagas, feared and despised for their physical deformities and mysterious actions. While they are painted as villains by the Meluhans, Shiva begins to suspect there is more to their story. The Nagas represent an enigma, hinting at a larger truth that ties together the destinies of Meluha, the Chandravanshish, and Shiva himself. As the narrative progresses, Shiva's journey transforms him from a reluctant tribal chief into a leader revered as the Mahadeo, god of gods. His decisions and actions leave a profound impact on the people of Meluha, inspiring them to rise above prejudice and fear. Yet, the story does not end here. Shiva's destiny is far greater than protecting a single kingdom, and the stage is set for a much larger battle involving the fate of an entire civilization. The Immortals of Meluha isn't just a story of war and politics, it's an exploration of timeless themes like leadership, duty, love, and the nature of good and evil. It questions societal norms, challenges rigid beliefs, and delves into the complexities of human emotions. Shiva's journey mirrors the struggles of every individual, facing self-doubt, embracing change, and striving to fulfill one's purpose. Through its intricate storytelling, the Immortals of Meluha redefines mythology, presenting Shiva as a relatable and inspiring figure. It's a tale that blends history, spirituality, and fiction, leaving readers with profound insights into the human experience. And so, the journey of Shiva, the man who became a legend, has only just begun. The Immortals of Meluha is not merely a story, it is an exploration of love, duty, morality, and the eternal struggle between good and evil. Shiva's transformation from a humble tribal leader to the revered Neelkant reminds us that greatness is not born, but made through courage, choices, and the willingness to challenge convention. As the mysteries of Meluha unfold and the shadows of the Nagas loom larger, the tale invites us to question the world around us and the beliefs we hold dear. What truly defines good and evil? And how far would you go to fight for what you believe in? If you've enjoyed the sneak peek into the world of Amish Tripathi's epic, stay tuned for our next video on the next part of the Shiva trilogy, where even greater revelations, challenges, and battles await. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Until next time, may the legend of Shiva inspire you to rise above and embrace your own destiny.